You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce correctly this name once and for all in English. It comes from Old English, originally a surname. Listen, the meaning. The pronunciation first, because I know some of you like pronunciation first. Ashley. What's interesting is that it means dweller near the ash tree meadow, because it comes from Old English word ash and lee, meaning ash and clearing or meadow. So dweller near the ash tree meadow is the meaning. Did you know that? Let me know in the comments. Ash lee. I know it looks like it should be pronounced Ashley. No. Ashley, stress on the first syllable. Ashley, do you pronounce it any other ways? Is that the correct way? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.